Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Astra's white label feature. Alright, to know more about what white labeling is, well, first let's go ahead and look for the settings before we talk about what it is. Let's head over to our dashboard, hover over Astra and click on Dashboard. And the white label feature of Astra is enabled by default if you have the Pro plugin. So make sure you have Pro. And if we scroll down here with our Astra Pro modules, you'll see here white labeled, and it's enabled by default. So let's go ahead and click on white label settings, and it takes us to the white label settings. All right, here, white label it says. Now, why would we need to do white labeling, or why would we need to use it? Let's say we are well, it could be two things. We could either be a brand that doesn't want our customers to see, our users to see that we used Astra. So let's say we went to our site here and we were the website assets shop, and if we were a user, and if we pressed F12, we could probably go down here and see that it's all WordPress Astra and so on. Alternatively, if we were a website developer, a website agency, it says here, and we were selling websites to customers, sometimes we might not want our customers to see that we used Astra. So let's go ahead and present ourselves here. We'll call ourselves, right? And we can put in our URL here and so on. And then we can call, let's say we were selling themes, right? We used Astra to build a theme. We could say this is the and we can just insert everything else here, and we can call Astra Pro Gold, right? And we can call this right. And once you're done, we can save it here. And once we have those saved, it should appear here that we are using the website assets web shop theme with website assets gold, right? And we can make sure to click on enable white label here, and it saves our data, and there you go. That's how you use the white label feature with your WordPress Astra. And you can see that it doesn't appear here. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.